Welcome back, banana growers. I know I owe you guys an update, and I'm really sorry about that. However, it's just been a quiet year for bananas down here in South Carolina, and I'll show you what I mean right now. I mean, we had fairly good growth, as you can see on the sabas right here. However, the fruits were very few and far between. One of the fruits that we did happen to have, you know, if you can see these are Rajapuris. They're just kind of hanging in there. And as we walk down, come down through here and take a look at these. In here, no fruits, just beautiful leaves. And here we are, we're like in late November. There's just not much going on with these bananas. Even these Bordalons, they were fruiting few and far between. We had a few flowers and a few fruits. You know, as you can see, a flower right there. But not like we normally have. I think we had one plant that had some bananas on it that crashed to the ground because the pseudostem was just not very strong. These Orinoco's, you know, they continued to grow and do well, but again, just no fruit. And that is all attributed to last year's freezing cold temperatures right around Christmas, when it got down into the low 20s, maybe upper teens. Some of our ornamental bananas did happen to fruit and bloom. But look at this. These are some of the, I call them pink ladies, which is one of the ornamental bananas. And you can see we had quite a few that pollinated and actually produced some fruit. A few more around here. The Candrians, they had trouble recovering last year just because of the solid winter that we had. Now, one plant that did seem to do very well, I showed you this at the beginning, is what's known as the Basjoo, or the Japanese fiber banana. And you can use these leaves and the stem for rope, fabric, things like that. But other than that, it was again a very quiet year for bananas here at my house. I've seen some other local people with some bananas that did quite well. And they must have a different microclimate than I do, because they got some pretty nice racks of bananas. Anyway, I wish you guys a good winter, and hopefully it won't be too cold, and I will see you in the spring.